Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy, step by step for beginners. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy. So Etsy is an accessible and effective platform for selling digital products, but the question is, where and how can we make our digital product? So I will introduce to you Canva. Canva is a free editing platform where all you have to do is to create an account, sign up, and you can now start editing anything here. For example, if you want to create or make a digital product, for example, a planner that you're going to sell on Etsy, which is our tutorial for today. So all you have to do is go to Canva. You can customize the size or just click create a design and then click for you. Now you have to look for something like planner here. Then it will give you the correct dimension and sample designs that you can use for your digital planner. So this is the dimension that we need, the size that we need. Now there are tons of designs that you can use here for your digital planner. All you have to do is to click and then drag it to the blank page. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start from scratch. So first, let's just select a background color. To select a background color, you just have to click the background color right here and then choose that background color that you want to use. Let's just say if you want to create aesthetic digital planner, so you have to choose from pink or let's just say blue. But actually, let's just change this one later because sometimes it depends on the elements and objects that we're going to put in our digital planner. Okay, so now the next thing to do once you have your background color is we're going to add elements here. So for example, if you want to add patterns, if you want to add lines, if you want to add something here to your digital planner, like a background, something like that. So all you have to do is go to elements, and I strongly suggest to use graphics, not photos, not videos, but graphics, and then select that specific design that you want here. So there are designs or elements for hearts, patterns, waves, and a lot more. You can also select or look for circles or anything. Okay, so all you have to do is to search and then enter. So what I'm going to add here is that I'll just leave it like a blank background, and I will be adding some elements. Let's just say I love autumn. So I'll just go to the elements and then search for autumn, and I can see here tons of wonderful elements and objects for autumn, or let's just say keyword autumn. And I just have to simply click that and then paste it right here or drag it to the blank page. So this is my concept for my digital planner. It's all about autumn. And then to start, you just have to simply look for a box or a shape, change the color, change the border line color, but actually it depends on you. So this time I have added a box, a shape, and here I'm going to add a text. So you can go to text and then look for the font that you want, font style that you want, or you can just simply click add a heading and choose your own font style. And then here you just have to simply edit or erase this one. So let me add here weekly, and for journal I'm going to delete this one, planner, and then I'm going to move this or change the font size or font style first. And then once you have found the right font style for your weekly planner or your planner, you just have to simply drag it and put it inside the box. But if you think that it's not good to see, or if you want to change your mind, you can just simply delete this and then just change everything here, change the font style, font color, font size, everything is up to you. You can also add effects, so tap effects, and then you can see here lift, outline, and there is this shadow and glow. So everything is up to you. So I have changed and add some effects right here, and yes, this is the result. Okay, now we're going to add boxes or square shape. We're going to add here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So let me change the color of the square shape or the box right here. Actually, everything is up to you. And then I'm going to copy Control C, Control V, or right click, copy, right click again, and then paste. So Control C, Control V, and I'm going to add it here for Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then next, I'm going to add a text. So go to text, and then I'm going to change this to Monday, or you can just simply add MT, something like that. But for me, I want to add Monday. Change the size, change the color, add effects. Okay, everything is up to you. And I'm going to copy and paste and change this to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And this is the result. Okay, so here's the result. To add or to start with your Monday, goal, something like that. So we're going to add a text right here, or you could also add a box or a shape, and then you have to enter or paste or type the word inside the box. So go to elements, add a square shape, change the color, or you can choose from any other. Go to graphics if you want to see more. For example, this one. And then here, this is where you're going to add your text. So once you have added a box here or shape for graphics, from graphics rather, go to text and then click add a heading. So for this time, I'm going to add goals for the week. This is for Monday. And then change the font style, change the font color. Again, add effects if you want. So as a result, this is the goals for the week. This is for Monday. And then if you want to add more, feel free to add more elements here or more text right here. For example, you want to add calendars. The good thing about Canva is that in this element section, you can just simply search anything here. Clock, nature, time, everything. And then just go to graphics. Now I'm going to put a line above this calendar. So let's just say today is January 6th, something like that. Monday, January 6th, 2025. And then just add that date above. You can change the color if you want. Okay. Now, if you want to add another element, again, go to elements and then search for the keyword, and you will see tons of results below, and all you have to do is to drag that element or object right to the page or blank page. Okay, so I have added here goals for the week. I'm going to copy and paste and then change the name. So let's just say this one is for daily task. Okay, and then feel free to change to simply add more elements and objects you want. This time I'm going to add, let's just say this one, daily task. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. And what you're going to add here is just like lines. So if you want to add lines, you can just simply go to elements and then search for lines or nodes and then drag it right here. But this time I'm going to add just simple line, straight line, and then let me adjust, change the color. Okay, and you can do this also below daily task. Okay, so basically this is what it looks like. They can add their goals for the week here, and then they can also add their daily task. So in the next page, you can just simply create your own. Okay, so this time I'm going to link this page to Monday, so that if someone click Monday, then it will take them directly to this page. Okay, so how are you going to do that? What you're going to do here is you have to click Monday. You can right click and then look for link. So
Okay.
let me right click, look for link. Okay, let me right click again. And then at this time, you're going to link this to the number 2 page, so that when they click this Monday, it will take them directly to the Monday page or next page. As easy as that. And after this, you can now download this and then start selling this to your Etsy. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.